Hey, welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This video is just a natural hair shampoo. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and just enjoy the video. No talking, just a good shampoo. Hopefully you feel it.
Contemplating what we can be, want to have you to myself. I don't need nobody else. Bump on the grind, let's dirty wine. Hypnotized by the look in your eyes. Feel my body full of richness when you give me all your kisses. We're like the sun and the moon blend sequence. I'm mesmerized by your touch, so frequent and still provoking since we first met. Love so strong, it's a light tight grip, but no destruction connected by the soul. Got my mind under control. I think of you all the time. No, I can't get you off my mind.
Never. Till I go right to the sink. Be like, yeah, nope. All over again.
Hey, this is the end of the shampoo video, but stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to be installing his locks. Getting some new locks installed, and it's going to be the old-fashioned way, one at a time, no machine. This is his lock installation, the old-fashioned way, one at a time. It's called the bricklayer technique. We don't use parts going up. We just do locks in between the lines. So wherever there's a line, we'll put a lock in between. So this is row number 1. Check out the next video. Peace.